Myanmar President has assured Prime Minister Modi that his government will crack down on insurgent groups operating from Myanmar and threatening India's security. Russia has denied establishing a dedicated RD-93 engine maintenance and overhaul facility to support JF-17 operators, including Pakistan. After around 20 J-10C aircraft were inducted by Pakistan Air Force under Chinese-backed soft loans, China has now suspended delivery of the remaining 16 J-10C fighters to Pakistan due to unresolved pre-delivery payments. IdeaForge demonstrated its high-endurance autonomous drones to Peruvian Navy. IdeaForge is exploring Project Air-Launched Effects, where a larger mothership drone can carry and release smaller drones mid-air. The concept aims to extend the range and endurance of smaller drones, allowing them to operate deeper inside contested areas. Armenia developed 122mm ATLANT multiple launch rocket system has been spotted on an Indian-origin Tata LPTA all-wheel drive military truck, highlighting the Indian platform's use for high-mobility rocket artillery deployment. Solar Defense showcased the indigenous Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system to a French delegation at the Pokhran test range, demonstrating accurate salvo firing in desert conditions, while France continues evaluating the system as a cost-effective long-range artillery option. Solar Industries India Limited is awaiting Indian Army approval for its Maheshwarastr long-range precision-guided rocket program under the Make-2 framework, with Maheshwarastr 1 planned for 150 km range, and Maheshwarastr 2 for 300 km, that is expandable to 450 km. In a major development, the Indian Air Force has approved a $1.2 billion purchase of around 300 Russian R-37M very long-range Mach 6 hypersonic air-to-air missiles for its Su-30 fleet, giving the fighters 400 km reach against high-value targets such as AWACS and tankers. India has formally issued a letter of request to France today for 114 Rafale fighter jets in a government-to-government deal worth around 3.25 lakh crore rupees. France is expected to respond within 2 to 3 months, after which negotiations will cover pricing, technology transfer, local manufacturing, weapons packages and Indian systems integration. India has opened preliminary talks with the United Kingdom on the Global Combat Air Programme and France on the Future Combat Air System, while awaiting detailed proposals before deciding on deeper collaboration. India is seeking strong roles for Indian public and private aerospace firms in design, manufacturing, software, supply chains and sustainment, with focus on technology transfer, industrial participation, next-generation propulsion, stealth materials, artificial intelligence-enabled mission systems, manned-unmanned teaming, sensor fusion and future weapons integration. Competing with Safran in India's future fighter engine roadmap, Rolls-Royce has once again proposed co-developing a next-generation 130 kN engine in India for the AMCA Mark II program, offering full intellectual property rights and extensive local development work. Rolls-Royce Executive Vice President has said that the engine could be developed in India, with ground testing targeted around 2032, and first flight planned by 2034. The proposal goes beyond licensed production, covering design engineering testing certification and future upgrades of the engine. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.